Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Motorola Edge 20, at first open Settings. Next, scroll down for Sound and Vibration. And here we are under Sound Settings. At first we can adjust media, call, ringtone and notification, and also alarm volume by moving these switchers on the left or the right. Below we can activate vibration for calls. We got 3 options. Here we can synchronize ring vibration, so we can turn it on and turn it off by tapping on the switcher. We can also adjust multi-volume, so when you enable on the switcher and then press this button, you are able to find the switchers right here, as you can see. In this place we can find audio effects, so we can create custom profiles for each device, so for our each different headphones. And here, as you can see, we can pick, for example, the loudspeaker, and we are able to set up, for example, music, film, game, podcasts, and here we can also edit these options. So basically it's some kind of the equalizer that we can set up. So there are a lot of things that we can customize in this option. Here we can find Crystal Talk AI, so it will reduce the background noise for cleaner speech, and you can turn it on or turn it off. And the advanced settings, we can find the Do Not Disturb mode that we can adjust and turn on. Below we can also find the live caption, so we can turn it on and then set up languages. Here we got the media, and we can show our media player in the quick settings. In this place we can change phone ringtone for first and second SIM card. We can change notification sound and alarm sound. For example, let's make it for notification sound. Okay, let's maybe make it for the alarm because I cannot hear the notification sound. Okay, there it is. And below we can find a lot of other things like screen locking sounds, charging sounds and vibration, and also the touch sound. And you can enable and disable them by tapping on the switcher. Here we can also get option pick up to silence. We can flip for Do Not Disturb mode. So when we enable this option and then flip our phone like that, the Do Not Disturb mode will be activated. And here we can find the media color controls. So as you can see, when we enable this option, we can turn the next or preview track when the screen is off by pressing volume up or volume down button. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.